Hello Monster Jam fans and welcome back to another Monster Jam OCD video. Today I'm going to review the brand new limited edition Monster Jam Stunt Truck. Well, welcome back everyone. Today is a very special video because I am reviewing the Monster Jam Stunt Truck before it is released on the Superstore. These will be available soon. The Monster Jam Superstore issued some emails saying these will be available in January 2020. This is my sample for review. I want to thank Spin Master for supplying this one, and I should be receiving state trucks at some point from Monster Jam, but those are still being processed and stuff. So here's the Stunt Truck. This is the one that is not out yet. So I'm doing a preview of it. You can see it does have a reflective Monster Jam logo insert. The Stunt Truck itself, which will be debuting at Monster Jam World Finals 21. It's a beautiful truck. I mean, I was not expecting this to be coming out in the 2019 season because, of course, this is coming out in 2020. But here's the back of the box. It has kind of a matte portion. You can see the matte area of the box and then a glossy portion as well. Limited edition. It does not on my card say a number. It just says limited edition. And you can see Monster Jam is this whole thing here about Monster Jam. To save some time, I'm not going to read it all. So you guys can just pause and read it. Basically just talks about Monster Jam and the whole background of it. So again, this is the Stunt Truck for 2020's World Finals 21, which will take place in Orlando, Florida. Apparently it's doing a stunt. I'm not sure what kind of stunt it is, but this is the truck for it. So we're going to unbox it. I'm so sad to have to destroy this packaging. It's one of the nicest boxes we've received this year. But here's the Stunt Truck, and we're going to unbox it right now for the 2019-2020 season. And here is the Monster Jam Stunt Truck, brand new. And again, coming out in January 2020. This is a really nice looking truck. It has no complaint card, but it does have a matte insert with this, again, this chrome Monster Jam logo. The official name for this is Monster Jam, but the Superstore did list it as Stunt Truck. So I'm going to call it Monster Jam Stunt Truck. And you can see it has a chrome body, chrome paint, I should say. And the 3D Monster Jam logo on the side, all fully 3D with some black paint in it. Then we have the hood, which also has a 3D Monster Jam logo. The roof is fully blacked out, and same with the back window, kind of all one big piece. And then the tailgate is monsterjam.com in 3D. You can see it's 3D. And the taillights are caged in, so they have this cage around them. And the fender here in black. Very nice chrome. I like the... I mean, they couldn't go full chrome like the real truck will be, but they got it as close as they could with their own paint. Then we have the front window, a big windshield here. And one of the most notable things about this truck are the headlights, which are these yellow triangles, which are Monster Jam logos. And the front grille is also triangles with black. And the front bumper is actually, is that molded on? Yeah, that's molded on. So it's a metal bumper with silver. A lot of chrome details on here. And then the fender again in black. Same side here with the Monster Jam logo. And there's the back again with the, I didn't notice these bolts here, are these pieces, but those are also there. And you can see the roll cage is flush with the back. And it does have chrome beadlocks with black rims with BKT printed tires. Normal tires for a normal stunt truck. I'm glad that they didn't go too far with colors. I think that keeping it exactly how the real truck will look is perfect. I've been very happy with the last couple of exclusives that they've done that are keeping the original colors of the tires. Because not only do collectors like them that way, I personally also think it looks cleaner instead of making it really colorful. You know, they could have done yellow tires, which would have looked honestly really bad. Not saying that they were going to plan on doing that, but I'm just saying that if they were to do colored tires or something different, it would take away from the integrity of the truck. I think that this one especially is good in the muted colors. The single color that's on here is yellow, and it's very effective where it is. There's nothing else. It's a muted truck pretty much with chrome and black. So that is the Monster Jam Stunt Truck. Again, doing a stunt at World Finals 21 in Orlando, Florida. I am planning on being there, so you guys can possibly see me at World Finals 21. Although it's a little early to say. 2020 is right around the corner though, so I guess not really that early. And to repeat, I am still shocked that they released this in the first year of Spin Master. This is something that was just announced in September, so they must have been planning to release this for a while now. But yeah, that is the stunt truck. So comment below, let me know what you guys think about it. And if you guys are gonna order one, it's very futuristic looking. I'll definitely give it that, but not bad at all. I really like it. So props to the Spin Master team for getting this thing out as quick as they did. And look forward to this being on the Monstrum Superstore soon. And until next time, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. This is Ryan of Monstrum OCD, signing out.